Hey, it's Michael Angelo Caruso. I'm here with my new friend Thaddeus Rex. We're at a conference here at the Music City Sheraton in Nashville, Tennessee, y'all. And Thaddeus just gave a fantastic keynote. He talked about something he calls the science of charisma. I've never heard science and charisma in the same sentence before.
True.
We think of science as an exact discipline. You know, there's
Sure.
testing, and there are results from that testing. And I think a lot of people think of charisma as kind of this soft discipline that you may or may not have. It's kind of soft and fluffy, whereas science is hard.
Yeah.
Talk to us. Tell me a little bit about charisma in the context of first impressions.
I think if you look at charisma as something that I do inside, it feels like an art. If we look at charisma as, there's a lot of people around, and really what we're looking to do when we're networking, if you're on stage, when you're meeting people, is to make that first impression. And that happens not in what we do, it happens in their mind, in their imagination, their expectations or perceptions. And there's lots of research about that. There's tons of science out there. Social science has been doing this for decades. One guy, Kahneman, he won the Nobel Prize in economics, and he talks about fast thinking and slow thinking. And we humans, we have fast thinking and slow thinking. And slow thinking is cognitive. We think things through and analyze the details. But fast thinking, it's that gut instinct reaction. And the research actually shows when we meet somebody, in about 1.5 seconds, we unconsciously attribute characteristics to them based on the tone of voice, the way they're dressed, the handshake, the first words out of their mouth. And that's going to affect, once we have that first impression, we look for ways to confirm it.
So it's not only a first impression; it's a fast impression. And in many cases, it's an instant impression, 1.5 seconds, and you're making all these decisions about people.
Yeah.
It's fascinating.
There's actually one study, they had college students rate professors after sitting through an entire semester. Did I like the professor? Did I enjoy the class? They had a second group of students rate those same professors after watching a 2.5-second video with the sound turned off. And the second group of students who only saw the 2.5-second video had a 75% correlation rate, like basically a 75% accuracy on if they would like the class and enjoy the professor. That's why we trust that fast thinking, because it works. So about 3/4 of the time, it works a lot.
Back to that old adage that you should trust your first impression.
Absolutely.
All right. ThaddeusRex.com. It's 2 D's in Thaddeus. You got a bright future, brother. It's nice to meet you.
Hey, likewise. Fantastic.
See you
Thanks,
later.
Michael.